What up, everybody? My name is Karon, and my last video I told you guys I have a BMW 328i sports line. Hit up my friend yesterday. He gave me his AFE air intake, so I'm about to install it and see what it sounds like. So stay tuned, alright? Alright, so this is the AFE air intake. Bought the sensor off him as well. So I'm about to install it and see what it sounds like. So basically that goes right here. Alright, so basically, damn, it's kind of bright outside. You can see it. But yeah, I connected to this right here. And I just tighten it up. I mean, it's like, take like 2 seconds. This shit goes right in here. And I guess there's supposed to be something that goes in here, but I don't have it at the moment. I don't know, but for some reason on the Saliv version, they have this thing right here. So my friend, he had installed it, and it basically goes to this right here. So all I got to do is bam, and mass airflow sensor, bam. So I'm about to start it up and see what it sounds like. Now I'm about to put like a tie strap right here, hold it down. Let's see. Make sure all the things are connected. So I got a bunch of lights on. Yeah, I got a bunch of lights on in the car. Let's go over here real quick. That's an airbag, headlights, airbag. Alright, this is where you can check. There you go. Vehicle info, vehicle status, check control. Alright, so all this. So emergency call function, which is this thing right here. Hood, lights, seat belt, drive restraint system, fuel reserve. I guess I ain't got no gas in here. Got set date, headlamps. Yeah, so ain't nothing crazy, you know what I mean? I gotta check what the check engine light is showing. I ain't got my scanner right now, so yeah. So I just installed the air intake. Right now I'm about to take off like the fenders and stuff, cause I ordered 2 fenders. They're gonna send straight to the body shop, let them spray it, and then I'm gonna put them on. my next purchase gonna be headlights and probably the hood and bumper and so on. You know what I mean? So just stay tuned, alright? So on the fender, you got like 1, 2, 3, and the next screw is like down there. Alright, took it out. So about to take these off and throw them in the trash. Same code for this side. The body guy was trying to work on it, but he was like, it's real messed up. So I was like, yo, leave it. I'm about to change it anyway. So you got one right here, one right here, one right here. The other one is right here, and the other one is gonna be down here. So you basically gotta move the side skirt to get it.